Get hip to English, mastering slang phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English slang. Our focus is on the phrase, get hip to. If you've ever wondered what this means or how to use it, you're in the right place. We'll break it down, give examples, and help you get hip to using this phrase fluently. Get hip to is a colloquial phrase that emerged in American English. To get hip to something means to become aware of it, to understand it, or to become informed about something, especially if it's trendy or current. The word hip itself is slang for being fashionably current or in the know. The term hip has roots in African American vernacular English, AAVE, and originally signified a certain savviness or street smarts. Over time, hip became associated with the jazz culture, indicating someone who is tuned into the latest trends in music, fashion, or language. To use get hip to correctly, it helps to see it in action. Let's look at some examples. 1. Teenagers often have to get hip to the latest social media platforms to keep up with their friends. 2. I need to get hip to the new software before the next project starts. 3. She got hip to the city's underground music scene and discovered lots of new bands. Notice how get hip to often implies a transition from not knowing to knowing. This phrase is best used in informal situations. It's perfect for conversations with friends or in contexts relating to pop culture, technology, or trends. It's not commonly used in formal writing or professional settings. The word hip can be used in other contexts to describe someone who is very fashionable or up to date. For example, someone might simply be called hip, or an event could be described as hip. I hope this video has helped you get hip to the phrase, get hip to. Remember, language is always evolving, and staying on top of slang keeps you in the loop. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try out new expressions. Until next time, keep learning and stay hip.